Welcome back to the Ohio University Alumni Association's Bobcat Brew Trail. This tutorial is here to walk you through checking in at a location on the trail and to show you how to track and view the progress of your journey. We'll begin by logging into your existing Bobcat Brew Trail account. If you haven't created one yet, reference our previous video for help in setting it up. Scan the QR code on the Trailblaze sign at any participating brewery or go to ohio.edu/alumni and click Traverse the Brew Trail. From this page, click the green Check In Now box. Enter the email associated with your Brew Trail account. In place of a password that you must remember, you may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA and to verify your email address. Follow the instructions on your screen and those sent to your email. Once you're logged in, you should land on the home page. To check in, click Check In Now at the top of your screen. Select the brewery you're attending and tell us what you're drinking. A photo is required for a valid check-in, so snap a pic of your brew, your crew, or you at your current venue. Click Select Photo to upload and choose the picture you'd like us to see. Once it's uploaded, the Submit button should become green, and you can click it to verify your check-in. Congratulations! You've officially completed your first stop on the Bobcat Brew Trail. After the celebratory confetti, you'll be met with the My Activity page. Within the web app, you can always access this page by clicking the menu icon in the top left-hand corner and selecting My Activity. On this page, you can view your progress towards the Brew Trail's milestones, the breweries you've checked in at, and your unvisited breweries. After you've checked into 3 unique breweries along the trail, you've hit the first milestone. Here, on the My Activity page, you can claim your first prize. Pat yourself on the back by clicking the green Claim Your Prize box at the top of the page. If you have not given us a mailing address yet, you will be redirected to the My Profile page to fill out your information. For more help, please see our previous tutorial on profile creation. If you have already entered a valid mailing address, you will be asked if your information is up to date. Click Update to change your address or click Confirm to claim your badge and prize. Prizes and swag are mailed monthly. Additionally, you can select any brewery on this page to view its address, how many times you've checked in there, and you can even add a note to it by clicking Add Note. If you're feeling competitive, or if you just want to know where you stand, click on the menu icon and go to Leaderboard. Here, you can view your rank among the other trailblazers, how many breweries you've visited, and the badges you've collected along the trail. Now, you should be prepared to track your journey on the Bobcat Brew Trail. If you have any questions about the trail or the web app, please contact us at brewtrail@ohio.edu. Happy trails!